feet. Off we go. Gets it to be safe. But Davis hesitates. I don't know that he gets rid of it quick enough. Watch him catch it, and then maybe look over. See that hesitation just a little bit. Not moving forward. And the throw to Perez. Up. And clearly onto the Davis in center. Well, that cutter just stayed over the middle of the plate. He got good wood on it. This ball had real good carry. Slicing away from Davis. Up against the wall. Watch Davis in center. Came in. Goes back. No chance. Out to right center. First RBI of the World Series. It comes in Game 7 for Baez. He's made it a 4-1 lead here in the 5th. The desk. He's got long strides, and watch him hit the bat as he goes. Now he sees it to him. Great turn to second. Right? He's taken off 2 outs. This turn at third is the reason he scores. He takes the perfect angle, doesn't miss a step, and it's going to take 2 great throws to get him out of home. He knows it. Not unlike the home run that Fowler hit to start the night. Pitching. That is a huge 2-out pick-me-up RBI. And as we said, the time run comes from plate. And there's nothing else that puts the... Watch where this pitch is. Down and in. He got it. He didn't miss it. He fouled off the pitches that he had to foul off. And the one area that gave Davis a chance to hit him through it. And oh my! Stays on the ball so well, does Zobrist. Tremendous bat control, and there's a man that I don't know if he thought he'd play a role in tonight's 7th game. That like the cutter, and you see him stay on it again. Let's see, 2 hits, 2 bases loaded situations. Here comes Butler. The throw into second. It's a 1-run game. Hasn't done it before.